channel. Today I'm with my friend Kate again. Say hi. And what are we playing? What are we playing, Kate? Okay, she forgot the game that we're playing, but we're playing this game. If you can find a game that kind of looks like this, that's great. Oh. Uh-oh. No, I died! Okay, alright. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, so, okay. Let's go behind the tree. Alright, get up high. It's a, wait, get up high. Wait, can I jump on your head? Okay. Right. I'll climb up. Okay, I'm going. No! Me too! I was all the way over there. Okay, come on. I didn't survive. Yep, I'm going in. These things get easy. Just keep jumping. Thanks. Ah! No, I died. I should have stayed over there. Cause, what? You guys saw that. Right? I'm gonna open the door. Are you ready? I'm gonna open the door. Ah! Okay, I'm hiding. Really? I don't see where you're hiding, but. Yes, I survived! Can I open the door this time? Ah, somebody else opened the door. Uh-oh, there's a... Ah! Oh my god. Yes, I want to open the door. Ready. I'm not going to risk my life, okay? It's not going to risk my life. What did it... Wait, what? Open the door, girl. Uh-oh. Can I stand on your head to get up on the tree? Please. Can I stand on your head to get up on the tree? No, I died! You didn't let me. Oh, dude. You open the door. It's like the birdie. It's like the birdie one. Can I open the door? Unopen the door, please. Okay, wait. Let me do it. Ah! Uh-oh, it's this one. It's this one. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go! No, I died. Come on, I gotta be in the corner. For this one, you have to be always prepared in the corner. I died. Okay, make sure it's not that spinny thing again. Uh-oh, there's chicks. Don't be afraid, I'll let your color show. Shine bright, baby. I'm opening the door. Is it something bad with it? It's nothing! Yes! That is the best you can have out of a door. Alright, so I don't know what it is. Somebody open the door. Alright, oh, this girl's going. Alright. I'm yes, I don't have to. Come on. Just open the door. You just click the red thing. But I'm gonna open it. Don't worry. Oh, it's a tornado. But I will. I'm gonna survive. I survived! Yes, okay, alright. I'm gonna open the door, okay? Are you ready? Ready? Go! Uh-oh, these spinning things. Oh, go, 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 go. I hate these. Oh. Ah! No. I'm never opening the door ever again. I'm staying in the corner at all. Stop killing me. I'm staying in the corner at all times so I don't die. Alright, I'm staying in this back corner. Somebody just please open the door. I'm staying in the corner. I'm coming over. Yep, we're vlogging. Wait. Oh yeah, we're safe. Okay guys, this was a little bit short of a video. We're gonna say bye. So, Kate, do you want to say bye? Subscribe to Gaming with Altucci and give a like to Gaming with Altucci, and that is my channel if you don't know. And if you don't, that is fine. Make sure to do it next time. Bye!